Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the mouse functions on ROG Harpe ASUS AIM Lab Edition. To do it, go to the buttons section, then you can just click on the function that you want to change. You can also go to the left side and change the forward, backward buttons. So I'm gonna, for example, select the right button, and you can see you can assign it to something else than the right button. So for example, instead of right button, it will work as a keyboard function. Then press the key that you want to insert here. So I'm gonna press on the Windows key, and then whenever I click on the right mouse button, it will work as a Windows key instead of the right mouse button. You can also just change it to mouse function, set it to actual right button, or change it to something else like for example left button. So now it will work as a left button, and that's how you adjust these things. You can also change, for example, the forward button and set it as for example a multimedia thing, and set it as volume up. So now it will change the volume, as you can see, and when I change the backward to multimedia volume down, then I can adjust the volume with these buttons, and that's how you do it. You can also click on reset and on OK, so it will be set as this. And you can also set different profiles. So for example, you can adjust these settings for the profile 1, and then adjust different settings for profile 2, etc. And you'll be able to switch between them easily. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.